Guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be talking about chutneys. Now, chutneys are this powerhouse of nutrition which you can pack every day in your diet by just including a teaspoon of chutney. Now, chutneys in India, specifically Ayurvedically speaking, originated from mixing different herbs, different vegetables, different grains, and different dry fruits and fruits in one amalgamation of paste or thick sauce, as we like to talk in Ayurveda. And they're amazing because they're anti-inflammatory. They're very, very good for your gut health. They can boost your immunity depending on what ingredients you're adding to them. So do start including chutneys in your everyday diet. They're the biggest and most nutritional supplement you can include versus taking all those extra protein shakes and tablets and capsules. Start including chutneys in your everyday meals. You will automatically start to feel a lot more different in terms of your energy levels and in terms of your overall body vitality.